All right, today we're going to be doing the low beam headlight bulb in this Dodge. It's Mercedes or Freightliner. If it's a Sprinter van, this tall style van, they're all the same. They're all made by Mercedes. So we're going to jump in here and do this headlight. It is super easy. We got a tab here and a tab here. Boom. Boom. This comes off. This is our weather seal there to protect it from the rain. We unplug this guy right here. This unplugs. Put that just down by the side. And then we have this wire hook that you just unhook one and unhook two. Now when you're doing this, be careful that the bulb doesn't just fall out. And also do not handle the glass part of the bulb, the tip. This is an H7 bulb, and as you can see, that little notch in the top right there, that is the upside. So there's another notch when we put it back in to fit. This is an H7 bulb. I'll put a link in the description. So let's throw this guy back in. Putting it back in. Our notch is pointed up. It fits right into place there. Then we close our door here. So yep, those hooks went on. And then that. If you do replace this, handle the new bulb with a paper towel or a cloth, so you don't ruin that bulb. It will burn out a lot faster if you get your oil from your hands on it, even just a little bit, just the natural skin oil. Then these tabs can be a little bit tough. You do need two hands. You got to push and get that tab to clip, but that's pretty much it. If this was helpful, subscribe and we'll see you next time. Thanks.